unicorns, it's Ellie, and once again here we are with it. Here, we just put that there. I'm sorry I'm sweaty, I'm outside. But here's another unboxing, Mary Kay unboxing. I just made a new order and it's really funny. I thought I was just gonna continue to get the same stuff that I got last time on each of my orders, but I got totally different things this time. So with this, of course, if you're a Mary Kay consultant, you have to make a certain amount order in order to get your 50% discount so you can sell these wholesale. Yes, you can sell Mary Kay products if you are a consultant. I'm not really looking into recruiting at the moment, but you can definitely contact somebody in your local area by going on the Mary Kay website. But you have to order a certain amount so you can make sure you get the 50% discount so you can sell them at retail pricing. Okay, so I'm gonna get straight up into it. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be seeing this before, probably after Father's Day. Yeah, tomorrow is Father's Day, so I'm gonna be uploading this after Father's Day. But if you want to get a late, well, that'll be too late. Just birthday or next year or Christmas or next year Father's Day. Okay, but this is the MK Men facial wash. And they have an entire men's line, and I'll be sharing a few different products here, not just I'm not sure exactly how many it is, but here we go. Advanced Facial Hydrator, basically moisturizer, but they make it fancy for the men. I'm so serious, they make it fancy for men and their marketing and stuff. Okay, this is women's product, so I'll wait on that. Also, women's products. Alright, give me 1 second. Okay, this is actually one of the colognes, and I'll go into detail about this in a second, but this is the MK High Intensity Sport Cologne, and I'll open that after I get the rest of the men's products. Okay, and this is the MK Men Shave Foam. And this is the MK Men Advanced Eye Cream. Okay, I'm going to take a second and show you the complete set. It looks like this. And so this entire set alone could be a great birthday gift, Father's Day gift, Christmas present, anything like that. And the cologne is an added bonus, so you can get the cologne alone, depending on how you feel. Okay. Oh, cool. So it comes in this little box here. And it looks like this. And it's okay, cool. It just pops off. Right. And so yeah, this is the MK Men's items that I got. This is the facial wash set. What's it called? Oh, it's actually on here if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if the set name is on here, but it could be. No, the name of the entire set is not in there, but it's basically the MK Men's Shave and Wash set. Oh wait, I think that's the name of this. No, it's not. It's just wash. Anyway. Alright, and this is the cologne, the High Intensity Cologne. This smells like, let me see if I can describe the scent a little bit. Oh my gosh. I love this smell so much. Alright. It's like a very, oh, of course it's like a masculine cologne. But it's just, man. What's that called? Hot? No, it's I forgot the name of it. My husband used to wear it. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. This is actually his gift, by the way. So I'm pretty sure he's gonna like this. This smells exactly like his old cologne from back in the day. Oh my gosh. But anyway, sport, so it's definitely not Axe. I can't compare, man. I actually don't think they sell it anymore. I think that was why he stopped wearing it, because they stopped selling it. It was like The Man or some cologne brand. But anyway, this smells so good. I highly recommend this. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, I'm glad that came in. It actually came in a little early. But anyway, this is the Botanical Set right here. And so here is the, oh, this is actually the perfume. So I'm going to put that to the side over there. This is the moisturizing gel. Now, I did not smell the men's products. I'll just leave that up to chance. But the cologne was the main part. I know for the fragrance. Just got some on my nose. Oh my god. Okay, I can't really smell this. So it's a very, very like natural, light. I don't want to say medical-ish, but you know, like that sterile smell. But you know, it's moisturizing gel, so it doesn't necessarily have to be fragrance. I just like for things to be fragrance. Okay, this probably won't be fragrance. This is the toner. This is the box. And this is what it looks like in the bottle. Similar shade to a few other products. I think it's another toning product and the eye makeup remover. Yeah, not really a smell. Kind of like alcoholish, you know, that typical toner smell. Alright. And this is the cleansing gel. This might have this in. Okay, well, very, very similar to the moisturizing gel, but it does smell a little bit like, what's that called? Is it kiwi? Or is that watermelon? It's either kiwi or watermelon. Or both, it could be. That's what it smells like. Very, very fruity. Not very citrusy, though. Just very, very fruity and sweet. So, this is what the entire set looks like. Okay, and this is the 2-in-1 wash and shave. I just wanted to try this out, see if I like it. Yeah, because I really don't know. If I can do both, that'd be awesome. That'd be really cool. But, you know, we'll see. I have been using the Naturals, what's it called? The Mary Kay Naturally skincare set. So what I do sometimes with the exfoliating powder is just rub that on my shoulders and, you know, add that to my bath. So I'm gonna see what that feels like combined with it. I think that could be cool. Okay, and this is the Thinking of Love perfume. How you pronounce it on here is Eau de Parfum. Alright, comes in this cute little bottle. Alright, and this smells like, no. Oh my gosh. It's like really sweet and powdery. It's really, really cute. Kind of like baby powder, but it's, you know, a more mature smell. It doesn't smell exactly like baby powder, but oh my gosh. I used to have a perfume very, very similar to this. It smells so good, you guys. And it's like a little key charm right here. So really, really cute packaging and really, really cute bottles. And I think I have another perfume right here. Yes, this is the other Thinking of You. This one is blue. This was aqua perfume. Agua? Or is that the same thing here? Okay, yeah, I was wrong. So anyway, I'm not sure which names these are. Thinking of Love. Oh, Thinking of You. It was different names anyway. I just heard the Thinking of part. Don't mind me. Okay. So Thinking of Love and Thinking of You perfumes. This one, really cute. Let me see what this one... dude, this is my favorite color. If you guys didn't know, blue is my favorite color. I got a Calypso drink right here. It's blue. Delicious. But anyway... That was not a good decision. I should have opened it like that instead of trying to open it with the bottom going down. But it comes in this little box. Like a little trophy. Okay. this smells like. Okay, it smells cute. I definitely like the Thinking of Love perfume a little bit more. I could be being biased right now though, because it brings back such nostalgic memories. But the Thinking of Love, Thinking of You, it is a cute smell. I don't really know how to describe it. It's a little flowery. Nothing wrong with that. It's just, I probably wouldn't wear this all the time. Just with, yeah, my main scent would be Thinking of Love. That one, I just like that one more, right now at least. And then I got a bunch of liquid eyeliners, liquid eyeshadows, lipsticks, and I think that's it in here. But I don't, well, on a second video, I'm going to go through that and all the samples I got. So the reason I got samples is because I'm going to be handing these out to random people as a part of my marketing, just to introduce myself, because, like, here's the thing. Hi, here's my business card. How are you? Like, it gets people's attention and you got to stand out, So yeah, I'm going to go in detail on those in a different video. So what I'm going to do for right now is just read you guys everything I got, and you can go to my website. I'll have everything linked down below, like in the last video. And if you want to check the last video, I'll have it on the screen somewhere for you to watch. But anyway, these are all the products I got. High Intensity Sports Cologne. Liquid Meteor Shower. Is that Meteor Shower? Okay. And that's eye color. Liquid Pink Starlight. Eye color. Eyeshadows. The Thinking of Love perfume. The Men's Advanced Eye Cream. Thinking of You perfume. The Botanical Set. For lip gloss, Botanical Skincare Set. For lip gloss, I got Berry Dazzle, Golden, Silver Moon, Beach Bronze, Fancy Nancy, Rich Spice, Get Rich Truffle, Men's Shave Foam. Oh, yeah, those are... Stop it, Rich Spice. Yeah, those are the lip glosses. The lipstick, I had to get another Rich Truffle because MJ had gotten to it and he ruined the entire lipstick tube. So I was like, I'm not going to freak out. I got to make another order anyway. So, there you go. The Advanced Men's Sunscreen. Maybe did I miss the sunscreen? Okay, I'll look back through that later and see if I got it. But the sunscreen is also on the order form. The men's skincare regimen, that entire set. Oh, and those are actually on discount until the end of the month, so I apologize. Both of the skincare sets were on discount for the end of the month for Mary Kay Consultants. So I'm not, this video definitely won't be out in time for the discount. I apologize. I'm so sorry. But we have cool stuff like that all the time where you can get more of a discount so you can sell at more of a profit. And so let's just say there's a sale going on, like this is 60% off. I could have bought, let's just say, I could buy some, actually. I might do that after we get off of here. Let's just say they're 60% off, like now, and you bought, or I bought 10 of them. I could sell 10 of the sets, and it'll make more profit than me. I just get random products sometimes to try them out, and then I'm going to get like 3 of each, 4 of each, just to have some on deck, but not like indulge. But these, they're at a discount. So I would take on that deal and kind of like skip out on everything else. If you're selling in person, you could always refer people to your website if you don't have any on deck. But if you want to have something on deck, I think it's good to get it if you get it in person and you buy them while they're at a discount, because you can still ship it to somebody. So if the discount is not going on, you can ship the product to somebody and you'll still have that discount. Like if you're shipping it yourself instead of Mary Kay headquarters shipping it for you, you would still have the discount. So yeah, that's just a little tip for the Mary Kay Consultants. But I will come to you guys in the next video where I go into detail, and probably I'll probably go ahead and swatch my arms so you guys can see the different shades and stuff. And I will talk to you about my marketing strategy while I'm swatching. All right, Rainicorns, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.